Guys, so today I'm going to do a review on the iRobot Roomba 690. I've had this thing for around 3 months so far. Originally I had the Bissell Smart Robot, robotic vacuum that you can purchase at Lowe's or Target. The big key differences between this and the Bissell is particularly Wi-Fi. I wanted the Wi-Fi function. I wanted to be able to control it from an app. I also wanted it. This is also works with Alexa. It does, I feel like, clean better. However, this gets stuck more often. And the reason that being said is it could just be my home, but this is a little bit taller. And you can see I've got some curb rash here from where it has been hitting my cabinets. And it likes to get hung up underneath the edge of my cabinets. And also, whenever it goes into my bedroom, it gets completely stuck under the bed. The height of the bed is just about the height of the edge of those cabinets there. And that's because it's a storage bed, so the bottom portion of it is drawers. But it gets completely stuck under my bed, and that's honestly probably just a my house thing. Most people probably wouldn't have that problem. If I had hardwood or this or whatever, something like this flooring in my bedroom, I probably wouldn't have that issue. It'd be a little bit shorter than the carpet that's in there. Overall though, this cleans better than the Bissell, but it is not as functional in my home. It gets stuck a little bit more often. No matter what, I'd say probably half the time it gets stuck, but no matter what, it usually gets a pretty decent clean before it gets to that side of the house, and when I come home that afternoon, I end up having to put it back on the dock. But I've considered stacking something up here on the edges just to make it a little bit taller, and see if that would work to keep it from ever going to those up under those edges. But overall, I mean, I do like the robot. I like the functionality of it between Alexa and Smart Home, and it does clean better. It cleans great along the edges of baseboards, and I would recommend purchasing it. However, just be advised, with my house, the edges of the cabinets have been an issue, along with under my bed. But overall, it's a good device. My mom also has this exact same Roomba, and she loves hers also. So go check it out.